Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics in place before creating live wallpapers. Make sure your iPhone 16 Pro Max is updated, haptics enabled, and reduce motion turned off so live photos animate. First, pick your source. Capture a live photo, choose Apple's built-in live wallpaper, or prepare a short video/GIF to convert. Once done, open Photos to verify the live badge. This confirms the file supports press and hold animation. Now you're ready to convert or assign the live photo. Now convert or refine your media so it behaves like a live wallpaper. If you recorded a video or downloaded a GIF, use the Shortcuts app or a reputable converter to transform it into a live photo trimmed to about 3 to 5 seconds. This keeps file size reasonable and playback smooth. Next, open Photos. Edit the live photo to set the keyframe and crop for the lock screen. Make sure the live toggle is on after saving so the photo retains animation. Finally, assign the live photo to your lock screen. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, add New Wallpaper, pick Live Photos, Position and Scale, then choose Set for Lock Screen. Live wallpapers require a press and hold gesture, so they usually animate only on the lock screen. Home screen animation is limited by iOS. If it won't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is off, restart your iPhone, and reassign the live photo. This fixes most playback issues when the file isn't behaving as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.